Hello guys, this is Bella Hope here. Today we are going to be opening squishies! Okay, I'm sorry, I've just never had these. First, delivering the packaging. I am not going to rush this moment of my life! Okay, first we got an egg. It's still rising! It smells good. Oh. That is amazing. I can't even say it. Okay, we have this little. It's still rising. Little popsicle. This one's not slow rising, the popsicle. Okay. I see some bread. I'm sorry I'm going so fast. I'm blown away. Here, let me turn this freaking TV. Okay, so I was in my room, I was just hanging out randomly, and like I freaking heard a car, and I heard something got dropped off in the front of my porch. So I was like, something got dropped off. I was like, wait, that must be my squishies. Oh, this is, oh, there's this tiny little bread. What time is it anyway? Oh, it's a panda button. I'm sorry, people. I've been waiting for these. Like my other ones, like got like sent to Skytop Ledge, not here. Oh my god. A banana! A banana. These are like so cute. It's a little banana. Oh, I got a little, what are they called? Senecrits? No, not Senecrits. Croissants, yes, croissants. I love this egg. This egg is like really slow rising. Oh, I got a little heart face. Aww. Oh, this one's slow rising. They're really slow rising. Ooh, cool. I see another one that I've been waiting for. Oh my god. Smiley face. This is one I've been waiting for like a long time. It is so slow rising. Oh, cool! I got a little fishy. This one's just like, it's like very slow rising. Oh, there's another donut one. Oh, this one's like, this one's not slow rising. It's really fast rising. Oh, here's not a croissant, but it's like a straight bread. It's like a loaf of bread. How do you take a YouTube video of this? I swear I had to. Oh, then I have a little cat paw that can go hanging on my phone. A little cat paw. It smells kind of weird. That is like so adorable. No, I've been waiting for these like all morning. So like I've been watching videos for like the past half an hour, and like finally they came. I was like, oh my god, they finally came. I was like screaming. I had to show Daddy. I had to. I really did. Oh, here's a. I love this egg. Super slow racing. Oh, cute. Hi, you little berry. That's not berry. That's cute. I think it's a dog. It looks like a. What is that? I don't know yet. Okay. I finally got my hands on these. What is this? Oh, it's an egg roll, I think. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Here's all of us. Bye bye.